Building your own home is something special. It's a journey filled with excitement, creativity, and a sense of accomplishment. From the moment you start planning to the day you move in, every step is a part of your unique story. It's a dream for many. The idea of creating a space that is entirely your own, tailored to your needs and desires, is incredibly appealing. It's not just about having a roof over your head. It's about building a sanctuary, a place where memories are made. Imagine living in a house you built yourself. Every corner, every room, every detail is a reflection of your vision and hard work. It's a place where you can truly feel at home because it's been crafted with your own hands and heart. A wooden house is a great choice. It's strong and beautiful. The natural aesthetics of wood bring warmth and charm to your living space. Plus, wooden houses have a timeless appeal that blends seamlessly with nature. Plus, wood is good for the environment. It's a renewable resource that, when sourced responsibly, can help reduce your carbon footprint. Building with wood means you're making a sustainable choice that benefits both you and the planet. Building your own home takes work, but it's so rewarding. The process of constructing your house teaches you valuable skills and gives you a deep appreciation for the craftsmanship involved. It's a labor of love that pays off in countless ways. You can make it exactly how you want. From the layout to the finishes, every decision is yours to make. This level of customization ensures that your home is a perfect fit for your lifestyle and preferences. You'll learn new skills and save money too. By taking on some of the work yourself, you can significantly reduce construction costs. Plus, the knowledge and experience you gain are invaluable. This guide will help you every step of the way. With detailed instructions and expert tips, you'll have all the information you need to tackle each phase of the project with confidence. Let's get started on building your dream home. Are you ready? The adventure of creating your own wooden house awaits. It's time to roll up your sleeves and turn your dream into reality. This is going to be fun. The journey of building your home is filled with moments of joy, learning, and satisfaction. It's an experience that brings people together and creates lasting memories. Let's make your dream a reality. With determination, creativity, and a bit of hard work, you'll soon be living in the wooden home you've always dreamed of. Welcome to your new adventure. Before you start building, you need to prepare your site. This is a crucial step that sets the stage for the entire construction process. Without proper site preparation, you could face numerous issues down the line, from structural instability to drainage problems. This means clearing the land and making it level. A level site ensures that your foundation will be stable and secure, which is essential for the longevity of your building. First, remove any trees, bushes, or rocks. These obstacles can interfere with construction and may cause problems if left in place. Removing them also helps to create a clean slate for your project. You might need special equipment for this. Heavy machinery like bulldozers, excavators, and backhoes can make the job easier and more efficient. Renting or hiring professionals to operate this equipment can save you time and effort. Safety first. Always wear protective gear when operating machinery. This includes hard hats, gloves, safety glasses, and steel-toed boots. Safety should never be compromised, as construction sites can be hazardous. Next, level the ground where your house will be. This involves grading the site to ensure it is flat and even. Uneven ground can lead to foundation issues, so take your time to get this step right. This is important for a strong foundation. A well-prepared site provides a solid base for your foundation, which in turn supports the entire structure of your house. You can use stakes and string to mark the area. This helps to outline the exact dimensions of your building and ensures that everything is aligned correctly. Accurate marking is essential for a successful build. Make sure the ground slopes away from the house for drainage. Proper drainage prevents water from pooling around your foundation, which can cause damage over time. Good drainage prevents water problems later on. Installing a drainage system, such as French drains or swales, can help manage water flow and protect your foundation. It's an important step you don't want to skip. Proper site preparation can save you from costly repairs and headaches in the future. Now that your site is ready, we can start building the foundation. With a well-prepared site, you are on your way to a successful construction project. The foundation is the next critical step. and it all starts with a solid, well-prepared site. The foundation is the base of your house. It needs to be strong and level. There are different types of foundations. The best one depends on your soil and climate. You can choose from a concrete slab, basement, or crawl space. Once you've chosen your foundation, it's time to excavate. This means digging trenches or a hole for the foundation. Make sure the bottom is compacted and level. Now you can pour the concrete or build the foundation walls. With the foundation ready, you can start building the floor. First, install treated wood beams on top of the foundation. These are called joists. Make sure they are level and spaced evenly. Next, cover the joists with plywood subflooring. Use screws or nails to secure the plywood. Now you have a solid level surface to build your walls on. Section 5. Framing your walls. Now it's time to build the walls. This is where your house starts to take shape. You'll be using wooden studs to create the wall frames. Studs are vertical pieces of wood that support the walls. Assemble the wall frames on the floor, one by one. Make sure they are square and plumb, which means perfectly vertical. Then, carefully lift each wall frame and secure it to the floor. Use nails or screws to hold everything together. Section 6. Raising the roof. The roof protects your house from the elements. It's a big job, but we can do it. First, you'll build the roof frame. This is made up of rafters, which are sloped beams that support the roof. Next, cover the rafters with plywood sheathing. This creates a surface for your roofing material. Speaking of roofing, you have many options. Asphalt shingles are popular, but you can also choose metal, tile, or wood shingles. Section 7. Adding windows and doors. Windows and doors bring light and air into your home. They also need to be installed correctly to prevent drafts. Measure carefully before you cut any openings in the walls. Use a level to make sure the windows and doors are installed straight. Then use caulk and insulation to seal around the edges. This will help keep your home energy efficient. Section 8. Wrapping your house in protection. Now it's time to protect your house from the weather. This means adding exterior cladding and sealing. You can choose from various materials, like wood siding, brick, or stucco. Make sure the cladding is installed correctly to prevent water damage. Apply a weather-resistant barrier over the cladding. This extra layer will help keep your home dry and comfortable. Section 9. Bringing in power and water. With the exterior complete, it's time to focus on the inside. This includes installing electrical wiring, plumbing, and insulation. It's best to hire professionals for these jobs. They have the expertise to ensure everything is done safely and correctly. Make sure to get all the necessary permits and inspections. This will give you peace of mind knowing your home is safe and up to code. Section 10. Making your house a home. Now comes the fun part. After all the hard work of laying the foundation, framing the structure, and putting up the roof, it's time to bring your vision to life. It's time to finish the interior of your home. This is where your personal touch really starts to shine through. This includes installing insulation, drywall, flooring, and painting. Let's start with insulation. Insulation is crucial for maintaining a comfortable temperature inside your home, regardless of the weather outside. It goes between the wall studs and in the attic. Proper insulation can make a significant difference in your energy bills by keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Insulation helps regulate temperature and reduce your energy bills. Next comes the drywall. Drywall not only provides a smooth surface for painting, but also adds an extra layer of insulation and soundproofing. It covers the walls and ceilings. Once the drywall is up, your home will start to look more like a finished space. Once the drywall is up, you can paint the walls any color you like. This is your chance to express your style and personality. Whether you prefer bold, vibrant colors or soft, neutral tones, the choice is yours. Finally, install your chosen flooring. The type of flooring you choose can greatly impact the look and feel of your home. Hardwood, laminate, and tile are all popular options. Each type of flooring has its own benefits and aesthetic appeal. Hardwood floors offer a timeless, classic look, while laminate and tile can provide more durability and easier maintenance. Congratulations, you've built your own wooden house. This is a huge accomplishment and something to be very proud of. Remember to take your time and enjoy the process. Building a home is a journey, and every step brings you closer to creating a space that is uniquely yours. And never be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Whether it's from a professional contractor or a knowledgeable friend, getting assistance can make the process smoother and more enjoyable.